guys, this is Stephanie with Overlay Magic. Today I'm going to show you how to use our Lipstick Kiss overlays. If you don't have them already, there's a link in the description where you can go get them if you want. This is the image we're going to work on. I'm going to go ahead and just throw a couple lips in here. Start with lip 1, drop it in, click the check mark, and then you can right click on the layer and select Rasterize Layer. And I'm going to grab the Move tool and drag it around, resize it, reshape it, rotate it, put it wherever you like. Pretty easy. If you want to reshape it, you can go up to Edit, down to Transform, and then to Warp. And you can drag in, maybe a little bit on the ends, smush it around, click OK. And now if you go over here to the Layers tab, and you change your blend mode from normal to overlay, and then I'm going to come down here and add a solid color adjustment layer on top of it. Select OK. Doesn't matter what color pops up here, just go ahead and click OK, and then right click on your layer, click Create Clipping Mask, and then now you can see the color being applied to the lips. So as long as the lips are below this layer, whatever color you put here is going to apply to it. So if you double click on that color, you can select a new one. I'm going to go down to the reds, bring the brightness down a bit. Maybe right there looks good. Go ahead and click OK. And that's it. That's all there is to it. We're going to do it one more time. I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to grab another pair of lips. I'll do lips 2 this time. Drop it in. Click the check mark. Right click on the layer. Rasterize from the list. And then with my Move tool, I'm going to resize it. Maybe rotate it around a bit. Click OK, or the check mark. And then go over here and select Overlay as your blend mode. So instead of normal, we'll come down to Overlay. And then I'm going to come down here, get a solid color adjustment layer, click OK. Right click on the layer, select Create Clipping Mask, and then double click on the color and select another red. How about this one right there? That looks good. Click OK. And this one, since it's going off into his ear a little bit, I'm going to come down to the lips layer, create a layer mask, this button right there, grab a brush, set my color to black, and then I'm going to, just with a nice soft brush, paint right off of his ear. And there you have it. So because it's the layer blend mode is set to overlay, you can see the shadows and the highlights from the image coming through, which makes it look really realistic, like it's really on his face, which is what we want. So if I move this around, you can see all the shadows on his face coming through and the highlights. It's getting really pale. So that's why you do the layer blend mode of overlay, and then you can just select whatever color with your adjustment layer. Alright guys, that's all there is to it. I hope you learned something. I hope these look great on your images. If you're having any issues with them, please let me know. Send me an email, let me know what you're struggling with, and I'll try to help you out. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.